Hello everyone, my name is Darshan T from the Department of Basic Science. So today my topic is all about overview of database programming techniques and issues. So database programming techniques and issues, let's see one by one. We now turn our attention to the techniques that have been developed for accessing databases from programs and in particular the issue of how to access SQL database from application programs. Our presentations of SQL in chapter 4 and 5 focused on the language constructs for various databases operations from schema, definition, and constraint specification of querying data, operating and specifying these. Most database systems have an interactive interface where these SQL commands can be typed directly into the monitor for execution by the database system. So that is limited on techniques and issues. For example, in a computer system where the Oracle RDBMS is installed, the command SQL plus starts the interactive interface. The user can type SQL commands or queries directly over several lines, ended by a semicolon and the enter key. That is, you can see the symbol over here. Alternatively, a file of command can be created, executed through the interactive interface by typing at less file name or greater symbol using the system will execute the commands written in the file and display the result if any. The interactive interface is quite convenient for schema and constraints creation or for occasional ADHOC queries. However, in practice, the majority of databases interactions are executed through programs that have been carefully designed and tested. And and carefully designed and tested, these programs are generally known as application programs or databases applications and are used to can transaction by the end user. As discussed in session 1.4.3, another common use of database programming is to access a database through an application program that implements a web interface. For example, when making airline reservations or online purchases, okay, in fact, the vast majority of web electronic commerce applications include some databases accessing commands. Okay, they are called Chapter 14 gives an overview of web database programming using PHP, a scripting language that has recently become widely used. So, what is the overall DBMS? Database Management System. So, database management system are software systems used to store, retrieve, and run queries on data. A DBMS service as an interface between an end user and a database, allowing users to create, read, update, and delete data in the database. So, what does the user overview if the DBMS mean? Software system used to store, interface, and run queries on data. A DBMS serves as an interface between on end users and the database, allowing users to create, read, update, and delete data in the database. What is the overall database design data normalization? Description of normalization. So, normalization is the process of organizing data in the database. It includes creating tables and establishing relationships between those tables according to rules designed both to protect the data and to make the database more flexible by eliminating redundancy and inconsistent dependency. So thank you for watching.